In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on RedNote. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download this app from your App Store or your Play Store. And once it's installed, you will probably see these Chinese icons. And you're probably wondering if this is the right app. But yes, it is. It is still in Chinese, and I think it's going to be changed anytime soon because of the high demand of users in the United States, for example. And once it's installed and you want to get started, you just click on the application, and then you will be headed inside of the menu when you already have an account. If you want to register, then you need to go over to settings, and I'm going to switch account to show you what it's like. Then you can add an account, and the best way to log in to RedNote is by using a phone number. This is also the default method to log in. And what you need to do is you need to enter your phone number, and you can change the country codes. There are also, or I have to say, not all countries are eligible to register from with phone numbers. So some countries are not available. So check if your country is, and if it is, you will be able to register for RedNote. And once you have your account all set up, then the first thing you will see is this Explore hub and this Explore page. And to get started, this is basically the main thing, the main square, as we can say, that you will be in a lot. This is basically the For You page in TikTok. This is also based on your algorithm. So when you are, for example, engaging with certain content, we have some football content in here. Let's say you're into football, then I can just open up this note and start liking, start commenting. And then this Explore page will be more and more adjusted to my needs and to my interests. So that's something you need to train to get started. So basically engage with some niche that you like, and then your algorithm will be adjusted to that. So that's in terms of the exploring. You also have like the messages, the direct messages section. You have the me section where you can edit your profile. You can edit your profile in here. You can basically change your avatar and stuff like that. You can change your name. What's new in RedNote, and this was not in TikTok, is this mode that you can preview. So with this preview mode, you can basically have a look, have some watch of how your profile will look like to others. So that can be really handy when you're not sure in how to change your profile. And the most important thing probably is how to post on RedNote. And I'm going to show you that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the big plus pink icon at the bottom in the middle. And here you can choose from album, you can choose your camera, or you can go live. And let's say you want to choose from your album. You want, for example, to post this image. We click on next. And in here you can see that we can choose music. And here it is really similar to TikTok, because TikTok almost has the same interface like we have here on RedNote. You can choose music, you can select some filters, you can add text, text fonts. You see a lot of them are in Chinese, but you can just change them into English. You have stickers, you can crop, you can do a lot actually with the quality of the image. It's actually really advanced. And when you are finished with editing, then you can click on next. And now it is almost like I am in the TikTok app. You can add a title, just like in TikTok. You can add text, a bio. You can add hashtags. You can select if you want to make this post public, or you can make it invisible to selected users, or visible to selected users or friends, or private. You can basically do everything you want. And when you want to see how it looks, again, you can use this preview mode. It's actually really nice that RedNote is offering this. And when you are sure about your post or your creation, you can click on post, and then it will be posted. So I think I explained the most important things about the new RedNote app in this video. So if you have any questions or something that's not clear, then please feel free to let me know in the comments, and then I will be there to help you. But if you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.